You can also use these play blocks. So you can drag a play block and connect it to a sound block and click on the play. Cuckoo! Or you can drag another play block and connect it to another sound block.
Chaba!
You can add a lot of play blocks. And now see that each play block has a letter. So if I type that letter on the keyboard, cuckoo, it will play the associated sound. So I will type a bunch of letters. Cuckoo, cuckoo,
Chaba! Chaba! Cuckoo. Chaba! Sabadaba! Sabadaba!
So you can turn your computer into your own musical instrument with the sounds that you create.